Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to use threads. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Do you know how to use threads? Threads are similar to, and it is a competitor of Twitter. Take note that not all Instagram users are aware of the Threads app yet. So you can share it as your Instagram posts or stories. Your Instagram followers can be aware and use the Threads app to share their thoughts and opinions. Posting a thread. When posting on Threads, you can craft a topic up to 500 characters long. You can even include URL links and media such as photos or videos that are up to 5 minutes long. You can share posters to make them more attractive to your viewers. Adding a URL link can help you drive traffic to your site, landing page, or other social media accounts. Share threads in Instagram stories. It is possible to share a thread in your Instagram story and share it on the platform. Anyone who views their Instagram stories may come across your story showing threads. They can be curious about what threads can do. Using threads, you can react to stories without sending a message. You can view the story shared by a user as they share the threads that they post or share threads from somebody else. If you tap on a thread on an Instagram story, it will show the button View on Threads. Tap on this button and you'll be redirected to this page where you can view the thread and the comments of the other users. If there's a user that you don't want to view threads from, you can tap on this icon and you can see more options to mute, hide, block, or report this user. As people join in the conversation, you can tap on the user and view their thread's profile. You can view the Threads and Replies tab. The Threads tab will show the recent threads that a user has posted or shared. Each profile shows the profile photo, name and username, bio, link, and the number of followers in your Instagram account will reflect here. Each posted thread will show icons below, such as a heart icon to like the post, reply icon, repost icon, and the share icon. Let's tap on the reply icon. It shows the text shared by this user. Then you can reply to their thread in plain text. And below, you may notice the file icon so that you can access your gallery. Select a photo or a video that you want to upload. This is just a draft of your reply. You must click the post button to upload it. Repost the thread. If you like a thread, you can repost it in your thread's profile so that your followers can view it as well. Tap on this icon and you'll view a pop-up window to repost or quote. Choose Repost. Now we've reposted this thread. If you want to remove it, tap on this icon again and choose Remove, and it will be deleted on your Threads tab. If you tap on the quote feature, this is how it will show on your post, and you can add your text and media as well. You can even upload videos that you want to use for this thread. Now try tapping on the share icon. You can view options to share it on other platforms that you have. When you tap on Add to Story, it will redirect you to this page where you can share it on your Instagram and Facebook stories. Next, Post to Feed. Choose a thread or a comment to that thread that you want to share and post to your feed. Tap on this button and you may notice that you can share it on your Instagram feed and also on your Facebook feed. The media will be shown with the thread's background, and when you take a look on your Instagram profile, it shows via threads. Next, Copy Link. When you tap on Copy Link, you can share a new thread, write your caption, and paste the URL link that you have copied and share it as your thread. Next, Share Via. Using this feature, you can share any thread on any app that you have on your mobile device. Next, Follow a user. If you want to follow a user, tap on the button Follow, and you can view all their threads as you browse your Threads feed. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need to rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works, we have a marketing app that can help you get leads using post influence. You can find tons of blogs and websites eager to post your articles. Get 100% organic do follow links. Use ranking sites and no bad players or dead blogs. Automated email and SMS reach out. The full details on the sites using rank, traffic, and more. Get the email and phone number of bloggers and influencers. Post influence gets you new traffic with hands-free ease. Discover high-quality blogs and sites in any niche, inbuilt flow system, and automatically stop campaign when your prospect responds. Build listings for free, fresh backlinks 24/7, and support. It provides accurate information about blog ranking, traffic, and backlink value. Build an endless supply of backlinks from website that Google loves hands-free. Get backlink and guest post automation with inbuilt marketplace. Find the perfect sites to target. Outreach automation and trade in guest posts and links. So try Post Influence now. Go to getpostinfluence.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.